Let me be very clear. In 2026, good videos are failing because of bad thumbnails. And some average videos, they're blowing up because the thumbnail is perfect. Look at these thumbnails. No long explanations, no fancy psychology lesson, just one thing in common. You feel the urge to click. That's not luck. That's design done right. Here's the problem most creators don't want to admit. You can spend hours editing, record the perfect video, say everything right, and still lose the click. Not because your content is bad, but because your thumbnail didn't stop the scroll. Now, I'm not going to explain YouTube psychology today. You don't need it. What you actually need is the right tool, one that already understands what makes thumbnails work. In this video, I'll show you the AI thumbnail generator that's quietly changing how creators design thumbnails in 2026. No design skills, no overthinking, no guessing. Stay till the end, because once you see what it can do, you'll never make thumbnails the old way again. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. You'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated a Mr. Beast thumbnail I liked. I copied the thumbnail link, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here, you can choose high or low creativity. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. Then pick the style: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and the tool gives you a clean, recreated version of that thumbnail. Same structure, but refreshed. Next is face swap. I wanted to replace Messi's face with Mr. Beast in this thumbnail. So I uploaded the thumbnail, selected Mr. Beast's face, clicked Save and Continue, then uploaded Messi's face. After hitting Generate, Supabix instantly created a precise, realistic face swap. No manual editing required. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. In this feature, you can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get one from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give Supabix your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Then click Generate, and it turns your idea into a full thumbnail. Here's the prompt that generated this one. Next is the Edits feature. Upload the thumbnail you want to adjust. Describe the exact changes you want. For example, adding text like, "Don't cut wrong." Click Generate, and it updates the thumbnail cleanly and accurately. Straightforward and effective. And finally, multi-image edit. Here I wanted to add a fire trail behind this bike. All I did was upload the bike image, upload the fire trail, and describe how I wanted them combined. Supabix merges them perfectly and makes the final image look seamless. Here's the real takeaway. The creators winning in 2026 aren't working harder, they're working smarter. They're not spending hours stuck in Photoshop. They're not guessing what might work. They're using tools that turn ideas into clickable thumbnails, fast. And if your thumbnail doesn't get clicked, your video never gets a chance. If you care about growth, if you care about clicks, and if you care about saving time, this is exactly the kind of tool you should be paying attention to.